How to enter promo code on Prizepicks. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can enter promo code on your Prizepicks. So, in order to enter promo codes on Prizepick, there is basically one major promo code, which is this max bonus right over here, which will instantly give you $50 when you play your first $5 lineup. So in order to get the $50 and use this promo code, what you'll have to do is basically click on the sign up option on Prizepicks website, and once you've done that, it'll basically ask you to enter your email address so you can create an account on this email address. And while creating while entering the email address, down below you can see the option promo code optional. There, if you simply type in max bonus all caps, it will basically provide you $50 when you play your first $5 lineup. So that is basically how you enter promo code on your Prizepicks account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.